Hey guys, here in this video I'm going to show you how to clean your car dashboard, most especially during this dusty period. If you're not the type that is used to using AC and your car dashboard is extremely dirty, so I'm going to show you how to clean this. As you can see, this dashboard is quite dirty and using ordinary cloth cannot clean it to satisfaction. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how to clean the dashboard. Meanwhile, this is what we're going to use in cleaning our car dashboard. This is called Handboss Universal Foam Cleaning Agent. I've used this Handboss Universal Foam Cleaning Agent in different dimensions. I've used it in cleaning my laptop keyboard, my external and internal keyboard without even using a cutting board. So in this video, I'm going to show you the steps to take to make sure you get the best of this cleaning agent to clean your car dashboard. This works for various type of cars, including Toyota, Benz, Honda, Lexus, Nissan, just name it. But in this case, I'm going to use my Toyota Corolla as a typical example that you can actually clean your car dashboard to get a very neat car dashboard. Now, in doing this, I will recommend two soft cloth so that you don't have scratch in your car dashboard. So, easy. Okay, this one you can. So I have some dust. So the first thing I want to do is I'm gonna clean this using this first. So make sure the cleaning is done thoroughly so that you can remove all the dirt. So I'm doing this. Literally, a lot of people believe this is a perfect dashboard. That is, they have successfully cleaned their dashboard. Of course, this is not. I'm going to show you that using this particular detergent or agent, you can get a perfect dashboard that is fully cleaned and like a factory settings. All you just need to do is get this universal foam cleaning detergent agent or get a similar agent in cleaning your dashboard. So do not move the agent closer to the dashboard, otherwise you're gonna waste a whole lot of it. What you need to do is move it far from the dashboard a bit and press it. You can see it has a very nice smelling. Now if you leave it as it is, under a couple of minutes it will turn to water kind of. So just make sure you just spray it on the dashboard and leave it for a few seconds so that it will get into the dashboard hose and bring out all the dirt in the dashboard. So just need to hold on for like few seconds and then get your handkerchief or foam and be ready to clean your dashboard. You can see this is dirt. So all you need to do now is clean your dashboard. So this is actually to tell you that my dashboard is actually dirty. Using these techniques, I was able to clean my car dashboard. So car dashboard cleaner is no more than this. You can also use this particular cleaning agent to clean your car speedometer board or your car steering. So if the cleaning is not perfectly okay, you can just repeat the process again, and I can tell you this techniques cleans my car dashboard to satisfaction. You see that? This is amazing. So you can also use these techniques to clean your car windscreen from within and other parts of the car, including the car seat and even the car gear. But mark you, if you want to clean the car gear, please be mindful of where you let the foam get into, so that this will not create a kind of a clog around the gear. So guys, if you enjoyed this video on how to clean car dashboard, please hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more hobbies like this. Thank you.